We have been working very hard, bringing evidence to the file in Argentina, bringing witnesses in person to give testimony, survivors to give testimony to the court. And finally, the court understood what was at stake, which is the genocide against the Rohingya people. And that's why, after the request from prosecutor and also a request from the Rohingya themselves to the file, the court decided to issue this arrest warrant against 25 individuals. In the 2019 complaint, the Burmese Rohingya organization UK decided to describe what happened in Burma for decades, and in particular in 2017, naming all those who might have been responsible. And that would include those who executed orders and issued the orders. I'm talking about the military, but also all others who have had some level of responsibility. I'm talking about civilians and ethnic leaders and so on and so forth. It was the first time, it was the first complaint, and the court in Argentina needed to know the whole truth. We have been working with the court here in Argentina, providing evidence about the responsibility of the military. And that's why in our request for arrest warrants that happened in 2023, we made a request to the court of arrest warrants, and we only included the military because we understood that due to the coup in Burma in 2021, due to the fact that Aung San Suu Kyi has been persecuted by the military, not only now, but even a long time before. I should say that I met her in Burma 3 times in different circumstances. I know Aung San Suu Kyi. So due to the fact that after the coup in 2021, she was being persecuted, she has been actually incarcerated. Now, while we are talking, she's incarcerated. We thought that it was convenient in this first stage of the procedure in Argentina, the judicial procedure, to target the military who are still in power in Burma. Now, the court decided otherwise here, and bearing in mind what Aung San Suu Kyi and how Aung San Suu Kyi reacted in 2017, bearing in mind that in 2017, the government officially was a civilian government, regardless of the lack of direct control that the civilian government had over the military, but the reality is that the government was a civilian government. And bearing in mind that even during that time in 2016, 2017, the Rohingyas continued to face this grave and systematic discrimination, restricting access to basic livelihoods, access to food and health, etc., etc. And finally, bearing in mind what Aung San Suu Kyi said before the International Court of Justice during the procedures where she defended the military, the ethnic cleansing operations, all these reasons made the court to decide to include her in the list of arrest warrants.